Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Irfanullah, Department of Architecture, final year, presenting the professional practice, the topic business plan. What is business plan? A business plan is a written document that describes in detail how a business is usually a startup, define its objective, and how it go about achieving its goal. A business plan lays out a written roadmap for the firm from each of a marketing, financial, and operation standpoint. Basically, a बिजनेस प्लान एक रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जिसमें यूजुअली हम एक रोड मैप डिफ़ाइन कर लेते हैं और उसमें से हमारे कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं, कुछ मिशंस होते हैं। तो उसको अचीव करने के लिए हम एक रोड मैप जो बनाते हैं तो उसको हम बिज़नेस प्लान कहते हैं। उसमें मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंशियल, ऑपरेशन और इस तरह की चीज़ें आ जाती हैं। सो व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग अ बिज़नेस प्लान? हम बिज़नेस प्लान को क्यों लिखना चाहते हैं? बिकॉज फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट फंडिंग, टू टेक अ बैंक लोन or a strategic plans. So these are the main requirement or the main strategies that we can adopt for a business plan. The second one is the executive summary. In this one, we can find a problem and its solution. Second one, operation and milestone and risks. Third one, financials. Fourth one, marketing and sales. And target market and competition. So this is the strategies that we can adopt for a business plan. Second one is a problem and a solution. So we have to find a problem and we will also provide our solution for a society, for a human, for a customer. So solve a real problem and give your multi solutions that how you can solve this problem to your solutions. Third one, target a market competition, because when you do a business plan there should be a lot of competition in that field. For example, if we made an architecture firm, so a project which can be announced by the government or a private client, so you have to compete with the other firm. That's why you can win the competition, so that will run you your business plan according to that you can made. The third one is the target market. So you have a targeted market because basically I want to explain it architecturally, because in architecture we have to focus on multi-specialty projects or single specialty projects. So this is depend on how the firm can go, sir. How get there? Everyone has the competition. In the field there is a lot of competition and everyone want to apply for the competition. So these are the strategies that we can adopt for a business plan. Fourth one is the marketing and sales plan. We have to define the positioning, what, who it's for, how it's are different, where will be the position of our company, our plan, pricing, what are the prices that we can give to the customer, in which prices how much quality of what we can do given to the customer, to the users, and promotion of websites. This is basically the packaging and advertising, blogs, and this kind of media you can use for your business plan expansions. Five number one is the operation. Operation means which kind of product, which kind of services you can provide to a customer, to a government, to a society. What are the operation, how you can make this product, what are the quality of this product. So this kind of things are including in a business plan. You can write and document that you can follow these steps. Six number is a milestone and metrics. This is very important for a business plan, because you have to define your business plan in a metrics, that how much you can achieve a specific, measurable and meaningful, and how much you lost. So this is a table basically, and you define the whole work. Seven one, assumption and risks. In business plan basically we assume that we can win this much amount, or we can buy this much product in this month, but actually there's a risk and this kind of things and plans. So eight number, team and a company overview. Basically if you have an architecture firm or you have any kind of working business plan, and you can operate that, so you have to meet with your employees and also overview of the overall team, what are the situation, what are the position of our company, where we can lie, how the company can how much we can compete in the society, in the environment. So and the nine numbers in nine financial plan, basically it depends the sale, forecast and profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheet. So it's called include in all these things. Basically I want a slight overview of the slides of architecture business plan. So architecture from business plan, basically mission statement. Our goal is to provide an architecture and design services in the context of exceptionally strong and rewarding personal client relationship to offer an innovative solution for the objective and requirement of our clients. So these are the mission statement of an objective for architectural firms. Basically, this is not the topic included in this question, but I want to explain in a detail that what are the rules and data that we can go for an architecture uh, from business plan. And description of business, our office is standing with one aim in mind, and to create and manage a creative and professional architecture and project management solution. The team has considerable professional experience and are able to offer provide professional services, not restricted purely to architecture service, but embracing the full spectrum of architecture and project management services. The third one is description of business. Our office is starting with one aim, to create and manage creative and professional architecture services. So these are include our organization, the principal architect, assistant architect, landscape architect, project manager, interior. So this is basically the business plan that you can plan, that this will be the implies, this will be the seating, this will be our goal, this will be our objectives, that we can compete in the market. And market analysis, a great deal of marketing in a wide range of specialized field. The company offer professional services to institute corporates, public and private clients. Economic condition, architecture does not exist outside of the economy, and in fact how we build each building directly affect the economy of our city. As a professional architecture act as the mediator between the client specialist, and it's very important to speak the official language of each them. Population trend, its effect, houses are getting smaller. There are multiple reasons for this trend, but they are stem from rapid population growth, and also increase the population who is giving longer. Company resources of marketing, do not underestimate social media for architect marketing. Build trust in your brand, become involved in the community, keep current client happy. Marketing objective, or objective, adopt a unique approach to project management based on strong hands and interaction, which we ourselves an extension to the client body. We are 100% and totally committed to every project we undertake, from the initial concept to all development stages, right to the proud end product. Our company offer project management services to institutional, corporate, public and private clients. So this is all about the business plan. This is basically I want to explain in a slide details. I will minimize it, but the main thing is the question that we can control through our graphics. So this is basically requirement for a business plan that we can provide to a business plan. So thank you very much.